Hi, I'm Melissa Bradley, and I'm at the Surrey Hotel in New York, and I'm here to teach you how to pack carry-on only. I travel tens of thousands of miles every year, and I only pack in a carry-on. It means I never wait in line, I never stress about losing my luggage. You can do it too, because there's certain principles I've learned that make it easy. The first is you've got to put the time in up front. You have to plan out your days. I take my itinerary and I map it out. Monday, what am I doing? Am I in meetings? What do I have that evening? Tuesday, if I'm touring, I want something more comfortable. Evening, how dressy is it? Wednesday, if it's something really formal, what am I going to wear for that? But I know each day, morning, evening, what I'm mapping out. I'm not packing anything extra. So it starts with having a good plan and strategizing. So the next thing you have to do is pick a base palette. In the summer, I tend to go with something neutral like a beige and a white. In the fall or winter, black with gray or black with navy. And then you have to think about your shoes because they take up a lot of real estate. You can only bring 3 pairs. One for day, one that you're wearing on the plane. I wear the biggest one always, so these are going to be long boots. And then either something comfortable for the day, could be sneakers, could be loafers, and something very basic for evening that will coordinate with anything. Black evening shoes. If I have lots of space, I might throw in a pair of flats. And I'll mix those with whatever I'm wearing during the day or in the evening. Your purse, you have 1 day purse. So again, I picked navy. That's gonna be slightly different. It's gonna be what I wear with every outfit. And then for evening, I picked something black and gold, purse that goes flat. I definitely pick things as I shop that I know will travel well. So you start from the bottom up, you've got your neutral shoes picked, you've got your bags picked, and then you have your basic staple pieces. So you have limited number of coats that you're gonna have to be able to mix and match. So I have one navy jacket, it's this fun vest for fall with a hood. I always bring one black sweater that's long. It can go over, work as a coat in the evening. It can also work as sort of a blazer during the day, and it's super comfortable on the plane. And then one dressier blazer for meetings or something dressier. Here's a black leather one. And then you'll have your black pants, your great pair of navy pants. And then I love this black skirt. I noticed somebody in Paris a couple years ago wearing one of these in the fall, and I was like, oh my God, this is perfect. It makes each outfit look really different than what I would wear with pants. And then I throw in the pattern. Again, thinking about what's wrinkle-free. So for day, you can have a number of different blouses. The key is they've got to coordinate with your day bag. So we're keeping with blue. Other blouses that pack a punch, they have a lot of pattern because again, your basics are solid and you want the separates to really carry a different look. All of these can be different days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different days right there. For the evening, I throw in one dress that could go with tights underneath this and the leather jacket over it. Can be great for day, or it can be with the boots in the evening. And then these are items, and this is important, I actually find things that are perfect for travel. So they're thin, they're lightweight, and again, they make a big statement. It's really about having the core basics that work with lots of different things of color to give you a different kind of look. So another thing is using great travel pieces. One of my favorites is this belt. Ferragamo makes these fully reversible belts. This one is navy and black, so it's perfect for this trip. But I've also collected a lot of jewelry over the years that's not expensive on my travels that makes an outfit turn into something much more. Something like this, you could wear over a black blouse and it's an evening outfit. These are really lightweight earrings that make a big statement at night. And then there's the trick of the scarves. Both of these would go with my navy and black. I will bring them on this trip. Totally different look just by putting a scarf over an outfit. I will also wear a big scarf on the plane in the same kind of palette. And now that we have edited everything down, we are going to put it into a suitcase. And you'll see how I do that because there's tricks there too. I have spent years looking for the best suitcase for carry-on. That means the most space, and Rimowa has it. I also use packing cubes because that helps you condense your things to fit into your suitcase. I tend to split my packing cubes, one into day, one into evening, a packing cube for delicates, pajamas, workout clothes, and then I use my shoes around the edges. So now that I'm packed, I'm ready to go to the airport. I'm in my travel uniform. Again, something I've thought a lot about. It is something comfortable enough that I can wear it on the plane and fall asleep, hopefully. But I also always layer the heavier items that I don't want to put in my bag. So I start with that black sweater. I'm gonna layer over it the navy blue vest, a warm scarf. Again, great for sleeping on the plane. And then on top of that, because layering is key, I have my final coat. I've got my day bag with my passport and everything else I need in it. I've got my tote bag with all of my toiletries, my computer, my iPad, and I'm ready to go.